A job is a way to earn a living. A business is a way to create wealth. In a job, you work for someone else's dream. In a business, you work for your own. Jobs provide security. Businesses provide opportunity. Naveen Jain. A job is like renting your time. A business is like owning an asset. Jobs have ceilings. Businesses have horizons. A job gives you a paycheck. A business can give you financial freedom. Jobs come with limits. Businesses come with possibilities. A job is a short-term solution. A business is a long-term investment. In a job, you trade your time for money. In a business, you leverage your time for money. Jobs are about making a living. Businesses are about making a life. Richard Branson. A job is a comfort zone. A business is a risk zone. Robert Kiyosaki. Jobs follow a routine. Businesses require innovation. In a job, you're an employee. In a business, you're an entrepreneur. Jobs can be monotonous. Businesses are filled with challenges and opportunities. A job provides a fixed income. A business provides unlimited income potential. In a job, you're replaceable. In a business, you're irreplaceable. Jobs rely on others. Businesses rely on yourself. A job is a means to an end. A business is a journey. In a job, you work to make someone else rich. In a business, you work to make yourself rich. Jobs are safe bets. Businesses are adventurous bets.